everyone, it's Sigga from scrapalicious.com, and I have a little altered project I wanted to share with you. I bought this white lantern in Ikea, and although it's made for candles, I had no intention of putting a candle in it because I thought it would be great for altering and using some of my Prima flower sprays that I keep hoarding and not using. So I thought, why not? I started by colouring the lantern. With Terra Angel's Glimmer Glam in Tide Pool. This one. And I didn't want to cover it completely, so I left a bit of spaces here and there, brush marks to be seen and stuff. Because I wanted to be a bit shabby looking. So it really sparkles when the sun hits it. I love that. So after that dried out, it takes very little time. It dries almost instantly, so it's good. I ain't got no patience. So on top here I put a Prima pebble piece, just because I was wondering about having a flower, but then I thought it might get tangled in the handle, so I just left it just like that. A start on the outside. I used a Prima flower spray that goes along up here, and I hot glue that to the lantern. And then I added these Prima flowers in between, and these smaller roses are, these Prima flowers in between, and these smaller roses are from Iron Roses, and I also put some behind here. And these large leaves are from are from Iron Roses too. And here's the flower spray going up. And another flower. These were already glittered, so I didn't have to add stickles or anything to it. And it goes up here. Oh, and these pins, this pin here and here, I got these from my mom. My mom made these, so I thought it would be perfect on this project. And we keep going up, and there's another pebble here from Prima. And I keep going up. More flowers. And then this bird from Prima. I thought it'd be nice having one flying above. And the spray continues. And another pebble. And another pin made by my mom. And then I put this little charm here. And I used this one from Prima, and I added this bird cage to the end, and then this one, the brown, blue, and another one I made here, another teal one. Quite like the combo of gold and teal, looks quite good. And this little bird holding a key, and then this larger one. And I attach that to the flower spray. You can always take that away if you want. And then on the inside you have this bird and a bird nest from Prima. I hope you can see that. There it is. You can open it. It's not completely stuck. So I also use these Melissa Francis crepe papers underneath, and leaves from Petaloo and Iron Roses. So this sits there tucked nicely away. And it was such a fun project. and a great excuse to go to Ikea and shop for more stuff than I need. So this is quite quick. I'll have some close-ups at the end of this video for you to have a look at. So thanks for stopping by.